Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing and review. Checking out this Litheli U20 20 volt 16-inch lawnmower. Wait, are you gonna help me, buddy? What you doing, Boogie? All right, so let's get this thing out of here, shall we? Maybe move it this way a little bit. Okay. Right on top, have this pretty sweet little bag here. Okay, has like a little vent cover on there, so it tells you when it's like full and when to empty it. That's kind of cool. Have some instructions here, pretty good size instruction booklet. And right here we have the 2 batteries. All right, this comes with a instruction there for the batteries. Okay, check out that battery. That's pretty, actually pretty cool looking. It's like a kind of a futuristic. All the other batteries I've seen kind of, it's got a USB-C and a USB-A charging port there. How many milliamp hours? 74 watts. 4 rated capacity for 20,000 milliamp hours. Oops, a little bright there. There we go. Okay, so that's pretty sweet. Cool looking batteries there, actually. And we got 2 of them and charging cables as well. So decent amount of energy on these. There's a little button there. Okay, I have a little button here on the front too, and it shows how many charges. I got 3 bars on that one. Okay. Those are nice. Okay, let's get the lawnmower out, shall we? It's pretty lightweight. Just has this handle right here. Probably weighs maybe not that much. Let's see if that's it for the box. I think that's it for the box. So this thing weighs about 15-20 pounds. It's not very heavy. All right. So we have this. It goes there. Looks like these we can have these quick clamps on these. Clamp them down wherever we want. And let's see here. Some teeth on that side. So it has a little thing right here. I guess we just kind of level these up to where we want them and then just tighten this down towards the thing here. Maybe loosen it up a little bit and push that down. Okay. So these just adjust a little bit and then you can tighten that down. If it's too tight, you don't want to force it. You just want to loosen up a couple notches and then do it. I think we're trying to get these like the same height here. And something like that. So probably some other screws or something. What am I missing here? Okay, there's that. Opens this up. Haha. There they were. Sweet little battery compartment there for both the batteries. Maybe. All right. So we have similar items right here, these locking mechanisms. And looks like a little cable tie there. Okay. Just gonna screw this all the way. And then I'm gonna put it through the first one here. It's got that little locking mechanism there. There's one. We'll get the other one there. So I'm just unscrewing this portion here. Okay, get that one in there. So it pretty much just has this screw right here, goes through, and then we'll do it on the other side as well. Push this through the handle, and then it goes through the hole. Okay, we're gonna take this, I'm gonna get a little closer view so we can see this a little better. Okay, I've just pushed this through here, push this on. It's got this little kind of a round sided here. You want that on the thing right there. We can just screw this in. Let's see here, maybe it'd be easier. Try it this way. There we go. All right. See where we need to go. So just keep tightening it until you're pretty close. And when that's going to bend down, it's going to make it nice and taut right there. It's kind of like a quick release thing for like some bikes. Still a bit more. So just keep spinning it a little bit more until, there we go. And we'll just do that with the other one as well. Pretty simple here. Get it from this side, maybe see a little better that way. Okay. This goes on there like that. And simply tighten this one down on there. Try it this way, I guess. Okay. All right. If it's too tight, you can just back it out a little bit. All right, let's put the battery in here. So the battery, you can just stick both of these guys in here. Simply lift up right here. And then you're just gonna line up the holes on the bottom. So they're towards, these little connectors are gonna be towards the center there. Press that in. You push it down, it locks into place. Press this button and it unlocks it. So kind of just press it down in there. And this one is the same thing. The hole's towards the center. And there we go, we're locked in there. That was easy. Okay, take these little cable ties. They're gonna keep your cable out of the way. So you can just take this, put it over the cable and snap it over the line there. That's gonna keep it from getting snagged on things, kind of keep it a little tighter on there. So you can wrap it around a little bit if you want. Something like that, that'll work. And just press that on there. There we go. Okay. Sweet, I think we're about ready to go here. Okay, so this has a little mulcher plug. Simply lift this up, it locks into place with this. So press this in and then pull that out just like that. If you want to put your mulcher plug back in, that just goes in, push it down, that clicks into place. So just like that. I think we're gonna mulch. We might do both. We'll show you how the bag works and then we'll mulch also. So take that out. Okay, to raise and lower this is pretty much effortless. Look at that. Down to one, and it raises all of them at the same time. It's very easy to do. That's cool. Plenty of height there. Okay. And it goes pretty low too. Maybe I'll try out on like 3 here. It's very easy to adjust the height. Well, to start this, we press the button and then pull down the handle. Well, look at that. Let's check this out here. This is quite good, actually. You can see, I don't really see any grass that it really missed. It's kind of thicker on one side and just kind of mows right through it. I'll try to find a thick patch of grass and see if it bogs down at all. So the mulcher works pretty good. Let's switch over to, we can see right here, it's did a fairly good job there, just cutting it. All this grass is a little wet also, so that's pretty impressive. This thing is, it's 16 inches wide, so not super big, but it is lightweight, easy to carry. I mean, check that thing, I just lift it up, no problem. So if you need to move it to your backyard or something, you need to carry it. It's really lightweight, easy to handle, seems to have plenty of power. Just lift this up, press that in, take out your mulch plug, take this, and looks like it's got these little notches right here, right on the sides. Just set that on there, put that down. That's very simple, very easy to do. Look at that. I'm impressed. This is a decent sized backyard. Made kind of short work of it. This little guy is pretty burly. All right, well, let's do some final thoughts here. So, final thoughts is it's easy to start up. I wonder how much battery life we have left here. Pop these guys out and test it. That one's still got 2. And that one's got 2. Good sized backyard, really. Made short work of it. It's super lightweight. Like, look at it, just easy to carry around. Very easy to adjust the wheels. I like that. It's super simple. All 4 wheels at once. Does a really good job. Has plenty of power. Easy start. Nice safety features. You have to push one and the other, so you can't just hold it down. That's very nice. The grass catcher works really well, very lightweight. The mulch plug also. Let's see the bottom here. As far as cleaning it, I mean, got some stuff in there. Should just be able to wipe most of that off. It's a plastic. Just clean this off real quick. All in all, I'm really impressed with it, actually. It did a great job, even through like really thick grass there, and went over that pile of grass I dumped. Didn't really bog down that much. Did a nice job of cutting. I don't really see any spots where it just like left a clump or whatever and missed it. Very impressive, actually. It's a little bit like the only 16-inch cutting gap, but I still made short work of this yard. Did it in about 15 minutes or so. So really, really impressive. Anyways, my friends, yeah, thanks so much for watching this review. Also, you can, these can be collapsed with just like kind of undoing this. So you can fold it up a little bit. Kind of a nice looking little thing. You can also use the battery packs too. Maybe if you're going camping or something like that, you can charge those 2 up and you got 40,000 milliamp hours of battery backup. So not only could you use that for your lawnmower, but use it as a little battery backup too for going camping and things like that. You can power your devices or charge them up. Very cool. Very impressed with it. Don't really have any negative things to say about this. This is easy to collapse these too. If you want to quickly just loosen these up, and then if you want to put it back into place, turn these and lock them down into place like that. Very easy to do. So if I want to collapse this, undo these real quick, the quick release, and then I can just fold it right back down here and I'm good to go. So it doesn't take up hardly any room. Very convenient. A great little lawnmower. Seems to have plenty of battery life too. Like I have a Ryobi 40 volt too, and it'll do maybe the backyard and the front yard on one battery if I'm lucky. So I'm pretty confident that I could do front and backyard with this, no problem. Thanks for watching this review, my friends. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.